Hi everyone, it's Miss McKinney. Today's dictation lesson is from Phonics First. This is for third grade, and we are going to be practicing compound words and detached syllables. Go ahead and get your piece of paper and a pencil. Remember that in our routine, I will say a word, and as you say the word back to me, you're going to pound the word. And then we're going to turn our hand over and we will tap the sounds. In a multisyllabic word, like a compound word, we're going to tap each syllable first. So for example, our first word, if you'll do it with me, is bathtub. Say the word bathtub and we will pound each syllable. Bathtub. Now, let's pound each syllable by itself. Bath, flip it over, and tap those sounds. B, a, th. Let's write that first syllable. Write it with me. A, th. Now we will tap our next syllable. So we have bath, tub. T, b. Now this is the same word, so I'm going to make sure I do not leave a space between the two syllables. So for bathtub, we should have written B-A-T-H-T-U-B. If you'll check yours and make sure that it matches mine. All right. Now, the next one, I will pound and tap with you, but you are going to do the writing on your own first, and then I will write it so you can check your work. Remember to repeat after me. The word is pig pen. Pound the syllables. Pig pen. First syllable is pig. Tap those sounds. P, I, g. Write the first syllable. The next syllable is pen. Tap the sounds. P, e, n. Write the second syllable. Let's check our work. Pig pen. P, I, g. P, e, n. Check your word and make sure it matches mine. If it doesn't, put one line through the word and write it correctly off to the side. Our last compound word is whiplash. Say the word and pound the syllables with me. Whiplash. The first syllable is whip. Tap those sounds. W, I, p. Write the first syllable, whip. The next syllable is lash. Tap the sounds. L, a, sh. Write the second syllable. All right. Now we will check the word whiplash. Wh, I, p. L, a, sh. All right. Check your word and make sure it matches mine. The next three things that we are going to write are called detached syllables. So it's just part of a word. So they may sound or even look a little bit funny when we write them because it's not a whole word. The first syllable is mup. Pound that syllable with me. Mup. Flip it over, tap the sounds. M, p. Write that syllable underneath whiplash. All right, we will check mup. M, p. M-U-P. That is what we should have written. Our next syllable is fab. Say that with me. Fab. ab. Write the syllable fab. Okay. Check our work. We have a. Last one, I want you to say these sounds on your own. The syllable is vel. Repeat it. Tap it. Write vel. We'll check it together. Vel. V, e, o. Check yours and make sure it matches mine. All right, now we're going to practice reading these words and syllables on a clean copy. Follow along with me. We'll read them together first. Bathtub, pigpen, whiplash, mup, fab, vel. Read them again one more time on your own. Very good. Now, we will practice writing 2 sentences. When you write your dictation sentences, you will listen to me say the sentence 2 times. Then you will repeat it back to me and you will pound each syllable that you hear. I'll do the first one with you. Listen twice. Run in a zigzag to the bottom of the hill. Run in a zigzag to the bottom of the hill. Let's repeat that and pound each syllable. Run in a zigzag to the bottom of the hill. Now, I want you to write that sentence. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. Remember, if you need to pound and tap the sounds in a word, please do that too. When you are ready to check your work, turn the video back on. All right, we will check. Our sentence was, run in a zigzag to the bottom of the hill. Zig, zag, to the bottom of the hill. And period. Remember that your sentence should start with an uppercase letter and it should end with a punctuation mark. In this case, we used a period. Check your sentence and make sure it matches mine. If you made a mistake, just put a single line through it and correct it. All right, I'm going to give you your next sentence. You will hear it 2 times, and the next time you will repeat it and pound each syllable. Listen carefully. We saw the sunset from midship. We saw the sunset from midship. Say that back to me and pound. We saw the sunset from midship. Pause the video and write that sentence. All right, we are going to check our work. We saw the sunset from midship. ship. And you should have started with an uppercase W and ended with a period. Go ahead and check your work. Now we're going to practice just reading through our sentences one more time from a clean copy. Follow along with me. Run in a zigzag to the bottom of the hill. Read that one more time on your own. Next sentence. We saw the sunset from midship. Read it again. You guys did a lot of hard work today. Thank you so much. Make sure that you save your work so that you can show your teacher when you come back to your next live lesson. I'll see you later.